One of the biggest jobs we have planned is relocating the air return for the heating and cooling system from the hall floor where the old floor furnace was located.
Okay, well, where do we start? Under the house?
Taking all this apart here.
Tim used to work for a heating and cooling contractor, so he's lending his expertise to the project and moving the return to a nearby closet. And once the hole in the floor is filled, I'm going to cover it with some new pieces of hardwood.
Well, some of these we'll leave right here since that's pretty square.
You can't rush this job because you have to lace the old in with the new to really disguise where the work was done.
Couldn't have been that easy. Look at that, that's awesome. That's easy. So it could go
And
one.
then bring this one.
I like this better. Go 1, 2, and then kind of 3, and then bring this one back down here.
Okay, that's the hardest way possible.
Once we agree on a pattern, it's all about sweeping up, lying down a vapor barrier, and we're ready to install this floor patch.
Tell me if it's tight. Is it tight?
It's tight. There you go.
Before long, though, the floor patch is complete and my client seems well satisfied.